Carboxylic acids. Right, so the functional group of a carboxylic acid has COOH. Okay, this is methanoic acid, there's an extra H. And then ethanoic acid, there is an extra CH3. Propanoic acid, there's a CH2 and CH3. And for butanoic acid, there's CH2, CH2, CH3, COOH. Just remember that M is 1, E is 2, P is 3, and B is 4. Right, so anything with a COOH is a carboxylic acid. Now, how do you get ethanoic acid from ethanol? Just have a look at what is extra. Like if you compare the ethanol with the ethanoic acid, can you see there's an extra O there? There's an extra O. So what does that mean? So ethanol plus oxygen will give you ethanoic acid plus water. You can also get ethanoic acid by heating it with potassium dichromate and dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is how you get ethanol from ethene. Ethene plus steam gives you ethanol. Have a look, there's an extra OH on the right hand side, right? There's an extra OH and there is no O in ethene, and there's an extra H in ethanol, but how do you get that extra H? How do you get that extra O? By reacting with steam, and there's a catalyst and 300 degrees Celsius and 60 atmospheres. Okay, so this is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Now, strong acids and weak acids. A strong acid is fully ionized, but for weak acid, it is reversible. So weak acids are reversible, meaning that it won't fully ionize. So because this acid here is weak, it will separate into H plus ion and CH3COO minus ion. The reversible reaction symbol tells you that it is weak. Remember that H plus means it is acid. Okay, so what happens when you mix a carboxylic acid with water? You will get dissociation, meaning that the H plus ions will separate and you have a COO minus ion separated. Right, again, what happens if you add water here? So again, the minus ion will separate from the H plus ion. Reactions with carboxylic acids. If you add carbonate, it will produce carbon dioxide, gentle fizzing. Right? What happens when you mix carboxylic acids with alcohols? It becomes an ester, and an ester usually has a COO there, COO, and then you have something else on the left-hand side, something else on the right-hand side. So what is an ester? Ester is used as perfumes. Again, something that's sweet, something that smells nice, has a sweet smelling fragrance. So again, it produces natural food coloring, flavoring. So carboxylic acids has the functional group of COOH. Anything that is an ester will usually have a COO and then something attached on the left hand side, something attached on the right hand side. How do you get an ester? By combining a carboxylic acid with an alcohol. Right, so carboxylic acids, an ester. How do you define an ester? It is a chemical substance made when an acid and an alcohol combine and water is removed. Esters are found in essential oils.